Today we're going to make a craft that's going to help children work on their fine motor skills, numbers, and counting. We're going to make a sun. We're going to start out with a piece of cardboard and a piece of yellow paper. We're going to cut them both into circles. Then we're going to glue the yellow paper onto the cardboard. We're going to add some googly eyes. Then we're going to add a mouth. We're going to make it a cute smiley mouth. After drawing the mouth, we're going to mark out 7 dots around the circle. Then we're going to get some pipe cleaners and cut them in half. Then we're going to punch holes into the circles that we marked. Then we're going to tie each pipe cleaner onto one of the holes that we had just punched out. When we have all the pipe cleaners in, we are ready to write the numbers. We're going to mark them from 0 all the way up to 6. We're going to add some beads, and now we're ready to start the activity. Your child will look at the number and then place that amount of beads onto that sun ray. So this one has 3. We're going to add 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. The next one has 4, so we will add 4 beads. This activity is great because it helps children learn how to count. It also helps them work on their fine motor skills, as they will use a pinch grip to hold the beads and place them in the pipe cleaners. This activity can be played over and over until your child has mastered both numbers and fine motor skills. Using activities to teach young children is a great way to create lifelong learners who love trying and learning new things. I hope your children enjoy this activity. Thank you.